The state's top prosecutor met behind closed doors today with local religious leaders. As News 4's George Rickert reports, it was to explain new powers the state attorney general has when it comes to cases of police abuse. George?
Well, Nalina, it was about 2 months ago that Governor Cuomo issued an executive order that designates Eric Schneiderman to be the special prosecutor in any case in which an unarmed civilian dies in an altercation with police. Now, this afternoon, Schneiderman accepted an invitation by Reverend Darius Pridgeon to come to True Bethel Baptist Church and meet with several members of the clergy, representing several Buffalo churches. The state attorney general says he explained to them what the special prosecution unit does, what the executive order means, and what the procedure would be if there ever was a case locally, like that case of Eric Garner, who died after being put in a chokehold by New York City police.
The perception was that, number one, there was not enough transparency, and number two, that some of the people who may be investigating these crimes were already connected to the persons who were accused.
It was very helpful outreach, answering questions, clarifying things that sometimes there's been some confusion about, but it helped us explain this. We will, as with pretty much every area of law enforcement, we do better when people understand better what we can and can't do and what the law is.
Now, Schneiderman has those special prosecution powers for the rest of the year. The governor had tried to pass legislation creating an independent monitor for cases of police brutality, but could not reach agreement with legislators before the end of their session.